Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Grade 5, chapter number 1, lesson number 1, cells. My dear students, today we are going to study about the main topics of the day: organism, cell, unicellular and multicellular. First of all, let's see the definition of organism. What is an organism? An organism is a living thing. Any living thing that includes maybe animals or plants. They are made of the same tiny building blocks, just like the wall of a house or the wall of a building that made up of bricks or blocks. In the same way, organisms are made up of small building blocks. From the smallest organism to the largest, they are all made of cells. So now here we know that the organism is a living thing that made up of cells. Now let's see the definition of cell. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of living thing that can carry out the basic processes of life. So this about the organism and this about the cell. Now second thing here, after these two, unicellular. What is a uni? Uni mean one. So let's see the definition of unicellular. One cell organism is made of single cell that carries out all its life processes. Second, multicellular. Multi mean more than one, or many celled organisms are made of more than one cell. Multicellular organisms include frog, tree and you. Now here I'm going to share the slide with you where you can see the unicellular, like this, the amoeba that's in front of you. It is an example of unicellular organism. Okay, now this a giant squid, it is an example of multicellular organism. Now let's see the definition of organism again. An organism is a living thing. They are made of the same tiny building blocks. From the smallest organism to the largest, they are all made of cells. You can see here different types of living organisms like animals and plants. Both are the examples of living organisms. Cell. Cell is the smallest unit of living thing that can carry out the basic processes of life. Unicellular. A unicellular or one-celled organism is made of single cell that carries out all its life processes. Multicellular or many-celled organisms are made of more than one cell. Multicellular organisms include frog, tree and dew. Examples of multicellular organisms you can see here.